Welcome to today's podcast, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of surrogacy. We'll explore how this topic intertwines ethics, family, and bioethics, especially from the Islamic perspective versus Western secular views. Think of it like a captivating puzzle. Every piece reveals something intricate about our values and societal norms.
Wow, that sounds super interesting. So, surrogacy, what exactly does that entail? It sounds so complicated already.
Great curiosity. Surrogacy is when a woman carries a child for another family. It gets even more intricate when you break it down into two types: genetic and gestational surrogacy. Picture it this way. Genetic surrogacy is like a cooking class, where the instructor provides the ingredients but doesn't do the cooking. Here, the surrogate's egg is fertilized by the intended father's sperm.
Okay, I get that. And so, what about the gestational surrogacy? I'm really trying to piece this together.
Now, gestational surrogacy is slightly different. It's like baking a cake and handing it off for decoration. An embryo, created from the intended mother's egg and father's sperm, is implanted into the surrogate. This whole process mainly comes into play for couples who face challenges conceiving naturally, such as infertility or medical problems.
That's wild. So if a child learns they were born via surrogacy, what does that do to their identity? I can't even imagine that.
Fantastic question. This delves into family dynamics and identity. From the Islamic bioethics viewpoint, surrogacy is generally forbidden due to concerns surrounding lineage. Family ties are sacred in Islam, emphasizing not just a biological connection, but the social fabric of family.
Wow, it's like if you break that connection, the whole family tapestry could unravel, right? But what's the Western view on all this?
Exactly. In the West, bioethics takes a different route. They lean towards a more utilitarian approach, focusing on the benefits for everyone involved, like how surrogacy can financially support the surrogate and help couples yearning for a child.
Oh, wow. But, what about situations where the surrogate feels pressured into it? Doesn't that create exploitation?
Absolutely. There's a real risk of commodifying a deeply personal experience. In Islamic thought, this commodification jeopardizes family integrity and moral order. It raises key questions about whom the child belongs to, biologically, socially, and emotionally.
That makes sense. It's like saying childbirth shouldn't just be viewed as a transaction. But can both perspectives coexist? Or is it too complicated?
You pose an excellent question. Finding middle ground is definitely a balancing act. At the heart of it all is the need for open dialogue about surrogacy's implications on both sides.
So maybe we need to talk more about the ethics and emotional stories behind this. It's like every family has a different tale.
Precisely. As technology races ahead, these thoughtful discussions are vital. While Islamic bioethics remains opposed to surrogacy, Western perspectives are navigating these murky waters, trying to balance ethical challenges.
Wow, that's so complex. It feels like a giant web of beliefs. But, what's the biggest takeaway for society moving forward?
That's a profound reflection. The key takeaway is understanding the broad consequences of surrogacy, not just for families, but for society overall. It's much more than technology or personal desires. It's a moral dilemma about how we view human relationships in a rapidly changing world.
I see. It's almost like we're at the brink of a new era in family dynamics, isn't it? What do we do about it?
Yes, we must keep these conversations active. Navigating the ethical landscape of surrogacy requires cooperation, respect, and understanding of diverse perspectives.
That's so insightful. Thanks for breaking it all down. I really feel like I have a better grasp of it now.